a friend from high school actually reached out to me and mentioned to me about all the great people here at Rheem and all the opportunities there were. And after doing a little bit deeper research into the internship here, I found out about all the benefits that Rheem offered for us as we were in school and as we looked to get something, for instance, like our master's degree.
By building relationships with the people that I work with every day, as well as the people I don't see as often. The lab has been a very welcoming place and overall a great work environment that I've thoroughly enjoyed.
Having worked in our positions over time, we always feel that the grass is greener on the other side. But I think everybody's working as hard as our position as anybody else's. So I wouldn't say I want to switch with somebody else, but if I had an opportunity in the future, I would love to go into a managerial position and get more responsibility because I love being a leader.